Introducing the Zeetex MT1000, the first mud terrain tire from Zeetex. The MT1000 comes with a 3-ply polyester casing construction, leading to a stronger sidewall and offering extraordinary resistance against impacts and off-roading. The unique anchor-type aggressive tread blocks deliver remarkable off-road traction. Alternate scalloped shoulder lugs provide longer distance between shoulder blocks, maximizing biting edges to increase traction in mud and rocks. Wide open shoulders and step block edges allow easy flushing of mud and silt. When others see the end of the road, we see an opportunity for adventure. Take your off-roading experience to the next level with the new MT1000 from Zeetex.